When stress hijacks your thinking, these 3 powerful cognitive tools can help you reclaim control quickly. First tool, thought diffusion. This breaks the spell that stressful thoughts cast over you. When a stressful thought grips you, add this phrase, I notice I'm having the thought that, for example, I notice I'm having the thought that this presentation will be a disaster. This creates critical distance between you and your thoughts. You shift from being trapped inside the thought to observing it from outside, a key difference in regaining control. Second tool, evidence-based questioning. This tool challenges panic thinking with facts. When your mind spirals, ask, what concrete evidence supports this belief? What's the most probable outcome based on past experience? What perspective would I offer someone else facing this exact situation? These targeted questions activate your prefrontal cortex, your brain's rational center, interrupting the emotional flooding from your alarm system. Final tool, controlled emotional processing. This gives overwhelming emotions a structured time and place. When intense emotions arise, tell yourself, I'll fully process this feeling for exactly 3 minutes, then deliberately shift my focus until my next scheduled check-in. During those minutes, drop all resistance. Experience the emotion physically without judgment. When time's up, consciously redirect your attention while acknowledging the emotion has been heard. These cognitive tools disrupt automatic stress cycles by engaging your executive function. Even brief engagement creates a critical pattern interruption. With deliberate practice, these pathways strengthen, making emotional regulation increasingly efficient, transforming crisis points into opportunities for lasting resilience.